Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I can explanation about tools of medicines in the hospital. Before I explanation the tools, I can introduce myself. My name is Rafika. You can call me Vika, and I'm from 1C class S1 nursing program on University Muhammadiyah of Kudus. Okay, today I can explanation the stethoscope. That's I choose stethoscope. Then I can explanation about definition, function, how to use the stethoscope, and where device to find the stethoscope. Okay, can first I will go or I will start the explanation from definition of stethoscope. Okay, stethoscope from Unani language, yes, estetos, and scoping checking is an acoustic medical instrument for checking sound body. He is widely used to hear the sound of the heart and breathing, although he is also used to hear instant and blood flow in the artery or veins. The stethoscope is told to hear in the body to where patients, okay? The cardiovascular, artery, or vena and attention. The next, I can explain stethoscope from the function. Okay, in general, it can be used to listen the sound of the heartbeat so that it can be known whether breathing properly and has normal rhythm or not. The result of the examination can be used a benchmark for assessment of heart healthy conditions. Besides hearing the sound of the heartbeats, the stethoscope also works to hear the sound of lungs. The lungs examination with a stethoscope is done to assess whether the breath sound of the normal or not. Your doctor will be like breathing problems if you hear abnormal breathing sounds, usually coupled with additional breath sounds such as snoring or stutter or wheezing. Abnormal breath sounds can also contain weakness, breath sound, or even not heard at all. Not only that, a stethoscope can also be used to examine the abdominal area. Usually checking the stomach with the stethoscope is done. To hear bowel sounds or noises. Increased for reduced noise can be an indicator of indigestion. The stethoscope is a tourist attraction that complements the doctor's appearance, a mandatory tool by a doctor, because it is very useful to have doctor diagnose a patient illness. You can hear my explanation about function stethoscope. The stethoscope identification or wheezing, breathing, and attention from the whole body. Okay. The next I will be explanation about how to use the stethoscope. How to use the stethoscope have 4 steps. Then I can explain. The first, place the diagram over the patient heart area. The stethoscope place the diagram heart area. Okay. Listen to heart sound for 1 minute. The stethoscope, the hair on the heart 1 minute. 3. Count the heart rate. This is heart for 1 minute. And the last, identification of the heart sound is normal or not. Okay, the stethoscope have been identification the heart is normal or abnormal. Okay, and the last explanation stethoscope about stethoscope for me is where device to found. Okay, We now put stethoscope on found in the hospital or doctor. Okay, but I can explanation about that. The stethoscope is usually found in a doctor's office or carried by a doctor anywhere to check a patient condition from the doctor. Okay, and then for me, thank you for your watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.